Game won't open due to the Lua 51 Win32 DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll help you bypass this roadblock instantly using my diagnostic data. To start the walkthrough for Lua 51 Win32, you can use my manual guide or the suggested resource for system optimization. This is the Lua 51 Win32, the 32-bit Win32 execution module for the Lua 5.1 scripting language. It manages the real-time gameplay logic, AI, UI scripts, for hundreds of older 32-bit games. Missing this file results in the game UI vanishing or an immediate entry point not found error during the initial script parsing phase. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. Lua 51 Win32 is commonly included with older game runtimes. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore DirectX-based components, then update your GPU drivers if the file is tied to OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Lua 51 Win32 file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/R, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. If you're attempting to register Lua 51 Win32 DLL yourself, be aware that manual file placement frequently leads to severe software layer conflicts and long-term data corruption. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. The diagnostic maintenance tool linked below offers background information for scanning Lua 51 Win32 related issues. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped Lua 51 Win32 workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.